Good morning, lovely. Welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Today, we're gonna have an unbagging on some of FG Normal silicone mold. This is a promotional items. They contacted me, so let's get into it. I hope everybody's doing okay. I hope you had a nice holiday. I'm gonna have these for today. Okay, the other ones I'm gonna leave it for the next video. It's not that many, but they're big. Okay, so I wanted to get some molds from FG Normal because they're affordable, but I wanted to test them because you're gonna see that I have some items made already, or some molds that I bought from other budget-friendly company. So here is a nice trinket dish, right? It looks like it's shiny. You put the resin inside here, okay? So it will come out with this form. And it looks like it's shiny. It's very thick, very sturdy, have a nice intricate design. Is a flower rose. And over here I'm thinking about when I get to paint it, whether it's gonna be easier for me or not, you know, because you want to give it some colors on it, or you can do it as a glitter, mix the resin with glitter. So this is a nice little dish to put your your jewelry and stuff like that in there, and I like it because it looks like it's very sturdy. It's very thick in here. I wish I could put something on top of it here to decorate. I wonder if I can do that. Let me use this finger because the other one is already screwed up. Oh yes, I could put something in there. It's gonna be hard, but let's see what happens when I try to do it. Probably I'll make it in glitter. Don't waste too much time on this one. I mean, too much work on this one, because this is supposed to be an easy art. Just mix, put, pour, and let it dry. Okay. The next one is this little, it could be used for keychain, but it's more likely for earrings. I should have gotten another one, and I need my scissors. Here they are. Because when you're doing earrings, you don't wanna, although this one is with UV, because this one is so small, you don't need to use the epoxy for this one. These are cute, but these are small. So this one, probably I'm gonna use them for making earrings, initial earrings. Okay. It has the numbers too. So this is a cutie one. This one measures, let me see, like about almost 10 centimeters by 9 centimeters. In inches, that would be almost 4 inches by 3.5 inches. So it's very small, but I like because it had the shine inside. If the mold has some shine on it, the item is gonna come out shiny. If it's a dull, it's gonna come out dull. Some people prefer matte matte finish. Some people like the matte finish because they can do other stuff on it. If a mold comes with a mat, what I will do is I put a top coat to make it shiny. A top coat of resin. And this package just broke. I'm gonna have to get me another package. I think I have one around there. I'll take care of that. The next one is a nice pack. It's 2 molds with the earring findings. This is for earrings. I love earrings. I think they frame your face very, very nice. We got some jump rings in here. It comes, look like these are stainless steel, right? The ear hooks and the jump rings. God, these are all tangled. Okay, and they have it in gold. Like I said, it depends on the color. Oh, 3 molds. That's cute. I like this. This one is stuck. I think I have one similar to this. Oh, I like this. Especially this, because then you can put something round in there. Yeah, the round and the square. And the oval. Teardrops. Oval. This one has a leaf, some hearts, a moon. Along with this. A rainbow. These are cute. A leaf. Oh, I like that. And they're thin, so this one can be done with UV resin to put some flowers on it. Oh, take a look at this one. It stars and everything. Look at these teardrop, where you can have the 3 hole and you can hang some stuff from there. I don't know if you're seeing it. Maybe you'll be able to see it better on my hand, since the glove is black. Here the heart is starred. This one is more likely for pendants. Though you can do it twice for an earring. Take a look at this one. This one is the biggest one. These are pretty neat. I like this. I gotta test them. I gotta do me. Probably this weekend I'll be working with some UV resin. Let me put it aside because I'll take care of packing it later. And last but not least, I've been watching for some other places, but they were too expensive. And when I saw that FD Normal had it, I said, yay! I one of these trinket box. Let's see how it's gonna turn out. Boy, these things comes well packed. Okay, let's see. Let's see where it has other places where I can open it. Here it is. It's supposed to come with everything. Okay, I gotta look at how to do it. Yeah, it comes with the enclosures and oh, it even has a screw. It has a screw. Let's check this out. I think this is supposed to be in here, right? I think these are supposed to be the hinge. Well, I have to check that out. I'm gonna have to print a picture of it. Here it is. Yeah, this is to open and close the door. I'm guessing that this is one of this is to close in here. Just put it and close it. And they look like they're pretty sturdy, and it has all the screws that you need. This is neat. Yeah. I can't wait until I do this one. But this one's gonna take a lot of resin. This one has to be done in epoxy resin. I don't want to lose any of these screws. See, this is another nice little trinket box. These are stuff that you can give away as a gift. That's what I like it. And resin, you do practical items. Items that you can use in everyday life. And over here is kind of a little matte. Oh no, it is in here. This is where you pour the resin. Not in here, in here. And this is the part that needs to be shined. Okay, so it will come out. The same thing goes. The same thing goes for this. This is where you pour the resin. And over here too. And in here. Right? Yep. The only place. Oh no. Is in here. This is where you pour the resin. Not in here. It's in here. So when you pour the resin, you gotta leave it standing up. So this is gonna be a cute one to do. I was thinking about using those some chameleon mica powder that I got, that I will show you on my next haul. Stuff that I bought from Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So here they are. Something to look forward to in the next few weeks. Okay. Thank you, VipCrossStitch Normal, for this wonderful product. I'll be testing them soon and do a post-review video. Okay. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button on this one, and that will help me on the ranking. And also, if you're welcome to join the group, or to just a one-time thank you, or even buy me a coffee. I have to put the link. I always forget. And that will help the channel. And that will help you too, guys, because that will be used also for powerful giveaways. So thank you for watching. Having a wonderful week. I hope you have a safe and good holidays. Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.